Welcome back. This is Azel. I'm playing Floowandereeze. Flow is my main deck that I've played. Came back in November to Yu-Gi-Oh! And picked it up, and I've loved it ever since. It's not been very good against most decks, but now we're getting into this current format, and seems to be doing a lot better. People are actually asking for it, asking for flow deck core and stuff, and they're getting angry reacts to those statuses, so I guess people aren't too happy about the birds coming back into power, but it does pretty good. This first deck, I did not know who I was up against. I won the dice roll, or in Omega, it's paper, rock, scissors. Didn't get that far. Take a look at this. Drew absolutely no birds, but I have my 2 pots for consistency, which gets me my birdies. So I grab Robina, grab my map, and get started. So on map, send Eglen, normal Robina, grab Eglen. They use infinite impermanence, but that does not stop the combo because you still have another normal summon with map. So it allows me to get into Empen anyway. And set 4. And I guess they had bricked, because that's all it took. So did not know what I was going into for game 2. Here we go for game 2. They go first, find out it's Centur-Ion or Eon. So my first move that I was going to make is trying to hit their Primera, because Primera does prevents their over 5s from being destroyed by card effects. They blocked it. So I use my Advent to throw Toccan, grab Robina. The only other good card out of that was another Cosmic. So I try to use Cosmic, and this time I target their field spell, which apparently was the right move because it stopped their Synchro Summon. So map, throw Winds. Since I have Toccan already, I can grab Winds back out. So after summoning Toccan, grabbing Winds, I chose not to continue the normal summons, but map would allow me to continue it after I place my field spell, or not my field spell, Unexplored Winds. So after Toccan, didn't continue, place Unexplored Winds, then use my normal summon on Eglen to start the combo back up. But this time allowing me to tribute one of their monsters with Unexplored Winds. they just gave up. They were done playing with the birds. Well, let me know if you liked the video, if you have any comments of things I should do differently or things that you do that I might not be doing, because I'm still pretty new at this and I take constructive criticism. Have a good weekend. Have a good week.